Hey guys, it's Greg Kononenko with my partner Steven Gilbert. As you might know, we've been using reviews for a long time now to make our full-time incomes online. And Snap Reviews Pro is a combination of powerful software and training based on our own results. The training is accessed from inside the membership site and shows how to start getting traffic from complete zero and start making money using the power of product reviews. However, this demo is focused on Snap Reviews Pro software, which is a WordPress plugin which you can add to any site to make fully customizable, beautiful reviews. Here is an example of the output of the Snap Reviews Pro software. As you can see, it produces a really clean, nice looking type of a review, and it's suitable for any kind of affiliate reviews, CPA landing pages, and pretty much any type of review that you can possibly think of. It consists of a number of sections. You can see that we've got our review title at the top, we've got our review summary, we've got our ratings, and everything is fully customizable. We've got our pros and cons, we've got our automatically calculated average rating. We also have inbuilt timer capability, and we also have the call to action button with a full design capability as well. All of the colors and all of the background colors, all of the fonts, everything is customizable via our template designer. Now you can add the Snap Reviews Pro output to the end or to the start of any post. As you can see on this particular page, in this particular review, I've added Snap Reviews Pro to my normal WordPress post, and it just produces its output at the bottom. Of course, you don't have to do that. You can simply just use Snap Reviews Pro to produce your whole page. Now let me show you exactly how it looks from the inside and all of the exciting features. First of all, after you've installed Snap Reviews Pro, you would need to enable it. And to do that, you would simply scroll down on your post to the bottom. You would find Snap Reviews Pro win part, and you would click this button to enable Snap Reviews Pro. After you've enabled Snap Reviews Pro, you would go and choose the location of where you would like to show Snap Reviews Pro, at the bottom of your post, at the top of your post, or split at the top and bottom of your post. You also have the ability to insert various parts of the Snap Reviews Pro outputs, but I will walk you through that in just a moment. Lastly, you will need to choose the review style and what kind of ratings you'd like to use, whether it's percent, points, or stars. No matter which rating type you choose, it will be fully schema compliant, which means that in Google search results you will have a high chance of getting these stars, which basically means that you're going to be much more visible, attract more traffic via higher click-through, as well as potentially rank higher in Google search results for this particular search term. After that, you can proceed to the next step. Now let's jump into the next tab, and I will show you the exact details of what components Snap Reviews Pro consists of. Now, first we've got the header, and in the header, of course, that will be where the review title will go. You can also upload product image to display that alongside the product title as well. Next, we've got the review summary, and all of these are editable. So if you want to edit one of them, you simply hit this edit button and it opens a nice WYSIWYG interface where you can type and change anything that you want. You can change this. You can also obviously change all of this information here as well. Now, after you've finished editing, all you need to do is hit save and your information will be saved. Next, we come to the ratings, and with the ratings, you can add and remove the ratings that you see here. So right now I've got newbie friendliness, usefulness, and price, and of course this scale corresponds to what we chose in the previous settings. So if you wanted to choose percent, you could. If you wanted to choose points, you could do that as well. Based on your ratings, the final score will get calculated as the average of all of these scores. So you can see here, the final score gets recalculated as well. You can also manually adjust the final scores if you want, but the default setting is that it will calculate itself automatically based on these sliders. If you wanted to add more criteria, you can do that by simply hitting this add button. If you wanted to remove any of them that you weren't happy with, you can also easily do that by using this cross button here as well. Lastly, all of our interface is of course drag and droppable. So if you changed your mind and you wanted to move price to the top, you can do that by simply dragging and dropping. As you can see, it's very nice and simple to drag and drop and change the order of them anytime you like. Next, we come to the pros and cons section. So likewise with pros and cons section, you can easily change everything here as well. If you wanted to add any more pros and cons, you can by hitting this add button. So if I wanted to add any more here, I can easily do that as well. If I don't want to have any of them anymore, then likewise I can simply just hit the delete button and they will disappear. I can drag and drop them, change the order, everything is drag and droppable, so it's nice and simple to use as well. The last two sections are countdown timer and button. So as you know, there are plugins out there that charge $27, $37, $47 just for the countdown timer functionality. However, for us this is included in Snap Reviews Pro as just one of the many features. We support two types of countdown timers: regular countdown timer to a point in time in the future where you can choose the time, or we support for the evergreen timer as well. So that is available here. And we've also got a fully featured button designer where you can design your own beautiful buttons and calls to action. And we produce outputs like this where you can produce your own beautiful buttons. We support gradients, shine effects, background colors, font styles, etc, etc. It's a fully featured button designer. One of my personal favorite features is that I can easily insert the button or the timer into any place I want via a shortcode. So if you hit this little button here, it gives you the shortcode which you can insert into your WordPress post. And if I wanted to just take the button and insert it into 3 places on my WordPress site, I can easily do that by simply grabbing this shortcode. Again, if I wanted to insert the timer on 2 or 3 places within my post, I can easily do that via this countdown timer. The other things that you can do, of course, is you can hide all of these sections one by one, just like that, by hitting this icon. So if you wanted to make a review post where the only thing that you have is just the ratings, okay, you can easily do that by simply hiding everything else like this and filling out your ratings section, which will then just produce this output because perhaps you wanted a post which simply summarizes visually what the different scores are in this fashion here. One other features that I need to show you is the drag and drop functionality of the sections themselves. So we're providing ultimate flexibility. If you wanted to put these ratings to the top, you can easily do that by just dragging and dropping. If you then wanted to put the pros and cons header next, you can easily do that by just dragging and dropping, and that will reorder the order in which these sections come up on your post as well. Now the last thing is our design tab. So within the design tab we actually have 2 standard and compact designs. They have slightly different layouts depending on how you would like your post to be. It's possible to change the layouts as well. Compact presents the information in a slightly more compact way, and you will be able to see that when you access the review copy. We've also got 2 template colors supported, white and black, and we also got ability for you to choose primary color, which goes on things like bars, etc. Now don't forget that the actual output, so all of these fonts and headers, etc., is all customizable via our style editor menu. You can simply go into the Snap Reviews Pro template settings, and that will open a page similar to this where you can create your own templates, you can edit templates, delete templates, and every single thing on a template is customizable. So you can see that there are a ton of different settings, you have ultimate flexibility, and you will also be able to see live previews of any changes that you make. So thank you very much for checking out the demo of our software. We hope that you enjoyed it. You can see the power of it. There are plugins out there that just do one thing, just produce the button, just produce the timer, or just produce these ratings. We're doing it all. We provide ultimate flexibility. We're really excited about this, and when you add on our training that allows anyone to start from absolute zero and succeed with the reviews and using free traffic, we think that this is a really great combination that your customers are going to love. We look forward to having you on board our launch. Thank you for watching, and we'll talk to you guys soon.